Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette 1LT convertible. It's got the 6.2 liter V8, the 8-speed automatic, chrome wheels, NPP exhaust, NAV, PDR, and is painted in Corvette Racing Yellow on jet black. All right, we'll start here at the rear. Walking up to our trunk lid here, and then inside you can see it's all nice and clean. We'll pull this back here so you can see it's got the black convertible top. If the top is on the car, you can pull that down flat and utilize the rest of that trunk space. Over here we have a storage compartment, and then on this side we got the 12-volt socket to charge your battery with your trickle charger. All right, closing the trunk lid, it's got the soft close there. Here's your black interior. Coming back here, you can see that beautiful bright yellow paint scheme. We have the Z51 style rear spoiler done in black. And then coming back here, you're gonna see the chrome badges. And then down below, we have the upgraded NPP performance exhaust, which is an active exhaust system, so you can open and close the valves to make it louder or quieter. Really cool feature on these Corvettes. All right, making our way to the wheels, we have the 5 open spoke chrome wheels. Really pops on this yellow Michelin tires all the way around. The rear tire size is a 285/35 ZR19. We got 4-wheel disc brakes, and you can see we have the yellow brake calipers. Let's check out that front wheel. So you can see right away those yellow calipers say Corvette on them. The front tire size is staggered, so we have a 245/40 ZR18 in the front, and I'm just pointing out it says Corvette on that rim there, so that's really cool. Making our way to the interior, we have the jet black interior. So we got the nice straight gray stitch there, the Bose sound system, electronic door release, power windows, and locks. Here's our dash on this side, super clean as you can see here. The stitching continues on the dash as well. And then we have the books in there. Here's our door jambs, nice and clean and tidy. Your Corvette kick plate looks like brand new down there. You got the premium carpeted mats. Here's your 8-way power seat. And let's scan this black seat here. You can see the condition, it looks like brand new. And then back here we have the carbon flash behind the seat and the Corvette waterfall here, coming into the interior with the Corvette flags. All right, we'll close that door, show you that profile, that spoiler in the car, and we'll walk down this way. There's your black seats. We got the body colored side mirrors. And then down here you can see the view of the chrome wheels here. Walking down the car here, you can see the chrome Stingray badge there behind the vents. And let's see if we can get a good view here. I'll wave here, you can see my hand. So the paint finish is like a reflection, just like a mirror. It looks spectacular. All right, making our way to the front, LED projector headlights. Let's check out underneath the hood next. So we got the Corvette hood liner with the Corvette cross flags, and then down below is the power plant. The 6.2 liter V8 producing 460 horsepower. This one is paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission. And we'll close up the hood here. Let's make our way to the front of the car and just check out this paint. It is just like a mirror. And we have the upgraded carbon fiber exposed weave right behind those vents, so that's a beautiful upgrade. You don't see many with the exposed carbon fiber, but it looks spectacular. All right, wheels on this side here. So this car has already been 5-stage polished. It just came out of the booth by our team. It was a beautiful car to start with, but now it just takes it to the next level with this polish. Bose sound system, power locks, windows, and your door release. Show you the dash from this side here. And our door jambs, just as nice as this side, on the other side. Our pedals down there, our mats, your 8-way power seat. And look at this seat, looks like new on this side as well. All right, we'll jump in. Close up the door here. So over here we got the vent, the dash dimming lights. Here's your power mirror functions, your power convertible top. We have a little cubby there. Down below your trunk release, and on the steering column we have power tilt and telescopic wheel. Headlight controls here. We have your your paddle shifter, so upshift, downshift on the wheel there. Cruise control. We have audio down there, arrow keys, Bluetooth, and your windshield wiper settings. We have a push button start. We'll go ahead and start it up. All right, coming back here, we have this black leather wheel. We got the contours here with the nice gray stitching inside here, flat bottom here, and I just want to comment how new this wheel feels. It's just incredible. It's just like it came right out of the factory. Well taken care of, this car, I can tell that for sure. Here's our Corvette flags in the center of the horn. Coming into the gauge cluster, we have analog gauges on the side, digital in the center. Mileage only 17,042 kilometers on this car. Up in the visors, we got the visors here. Here's your light sensitive mirror, and then down below we have your vent here. Here's our 8-inch touchscreen here. Let's just get to the main screen here. Okay, here's our icons. So we have projection, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect up your phone to the screen here. It's got the upgraded factory navigation option there. We have a performance data recorder as well, another upgrade. Over here we got some more icons, and I'll throw it in reverse so you can see we got reverse camera. I'll hit the screen button here, that comes down, and we have storage in here with the USB slot and a little cubby there, so that was added so you can stack things. That's pretty cool. Down here is the media controls. Then we have your dual zone climate control. We got the Corvette placard there. Here's your automatic shifter. Again, that feels like new as well. New is the theme with this car, even though it's a 2017. 12-volt socket there. We got two cup holders here, electronic brake, and your traction control in the middle with your mode selector. So let's swing you back into the dash here. Underneath the digital speedometer, you're going to see weather mode, your economy, tour, sport, and track mode. Okay, back to the console. We'll lift this lid up here, put my hand in, you can see the depth of it. A 12-volt socket with media ports. All right, we'll open up the door. I'll get the lights on, and we're going to rev it up. One more time. All right, love the way that NPP exhaust sounds. It is open right now. You can make it quieter if you like, but it sounds great wide open. All right, push this button here. Let's open the top here, watch it function. It's all power. You can see the top underneath has liner. It's got a full glass window here with a window defogger. Once it's complete, it'll chime to let me know that it's complete. There's their chime. We'll put up the windows. So you can see that just took seconds to do that whole process there. We'll make our way to the front. Here's our headlights on, and look at this car. Wow, it is bright. It looks even better outside. What a spectacular car. Swinging around, here's our LED lights, and listen to this exhaust idle. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette 1LT convertible. It's got the 6.2 liter V8 automatic, chrome wheels, carbon fiber hood, navigation PDR, and is painted in Corvette Racing Yellow on jet black. This is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.